Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Ahmed and you're watching Ahmed Info channel. Today I have come up with something interesting, that how to install two WhatsApp in our mobile. I will show you two methods, so stay with us till last. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe it and click on bell icon. So let's get started. Method number 1. Without any software you can install WhatsApp. So first of all, go to your settings in your mobile, scroll down and click on App Cloner. Here you can see there are some more apps you can clone it, but install WhatsApp. So click on WhatsApp and enable app cloning, and this is how two WhatsApps are installed in your mobile. And here is a second method to install WhatsApp in your mobile. Go to Play Store, click on Dual WhatsApp, scroll down and click on Dual Apps and download it and get installed. So now open it. Click on plus, click on WhatsApp, import Dual. So now click on WhatsApp again and launch Dual. Click on to grant, allow. See, your Dual WhatsApp is installed. Click on agree and give it to your number.